Hi, my name is Terry Wilson and I'm from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. I'm going to talk about some of my frequently asked questions, and one of them being, what is a party wall? Well, it's quite simple. A party wall is a shared wall. So, give you an example, if you live in a semi-detached property, the wall dividing your property from your neighbour's property is a shared wall, and it's a party wall. Let's say another example, a garden wall can be a party wall. Any wall within the boundary of your property is potentially a party wall. So that's what a party wall is, a shared wall within the boundaries of your property. Thanks very much for watching my videos. My name is Terry Wilson from Wilson Architectural Building Designs. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe below. Or if you need any help or support, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Good luck.